Ching's Secret, the real way to tasty and instant Chinese. Hi, मैं हूँ एकता और मेरे साथ है सुपर शेफ विकास.
कैसे हैं आप?
I'm all right, Vikas. How are you?
Very fine, thank you.
So what special are you going to cook for me now?
I'm going to make something very special, especially for you. It's known as mushroom fried rice. For this we need some boiled rice, vegetables like carrot, capsicum and mushrooms, and some onions as well. The first step, 2 tablespoons of oil in the frying pan, and coat the pan properly with oil. And then goes in carrot, then goes in capsicum, finely chopped capsicum, and then goes in onions, very finely chopped.
It's like we can put everything together also.
No, you can't, because every vegetable has a different cooking time.
Okay, so accordingly you have to put carrot first, then capsicum and then onions.
You're learning fast.
Smart.
And then goes a lot of mushrooms.
That's my favorite.
Especially for ekta.
Thank you.
Stir them for around 15 seconds.
Can I do that?
Please do that. I've got some boiled rice with me. इस डिश को बनाने से पहले राइस को बॉईल कर लीजिए और उसके बाद उसको ठंडा कीजिए. Otherwise, the rice tend to get overcooked when you finally fry it. 2 cups of rice goes in. And I'll show you how to mix the rice with the vegetables and stuff.
Okay.
You can do it like this.
Okay, let me try.
Mix it properly. Fry it. In the meantime, I'll add sauces.
Sauces? What kind of sauces?
Ching's Secret all-in-one sauce. All in one.
Okay.
It has a combination of 5 to 6 different ingredients. A dash of soy sauce.
I know about this.
Do eat spice.
I love spicy food.
And be generous with chili sauce. Again, Ching's Secret red chili sauce. Some more for ekta.
According to the taste you can handle.
Then goes in some chopped garlic. A pinch of white pepper.
Okay.
And a pinch of salt. And mix it really fast, like this. This is again to avoid the rice to get stuck to the pan and the sauce to get burnt.
Okay.
Mix it properly so that each piece of vegetable, mushrooms and ekta gets cooked. Sorry, rice gets cooked.
Because it's smelling really nice. How much more time is it going to take?
It's done.
It's smelling really nice.
Garnish some more chopped coriander leaves on top.
Because is it ready to taste? Thank you. You're the best.
It's good?
It's delicious. It's yummy. I'm sure he will have some more recipe to share with you. To know, please tune in to Ching's Secret, the real way to tasty and instant Chinese.
2 cups boiled rice, 3 tablespoon Ching's Secret all-in-one sauce, 1 tablespoon Ching's Secret soy sauce, 1 teaspoon Ching's Secret red chili sauce, half cup mushrooms chopped, carrot chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1 spring onion chopped, 1 teaspoon oil, salt to taste.